So welcome to Razzul Ansar channel. Today I will go to fry sardine fish. The using ingredients: sardine fish, salt, coriander powder, pepper powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, oil and salt. Okay viewers, now we will go to prepare. Take one vessel and insert 1 spoon pepper powder and 1 spoon coriander powder and half spoon turmeric powder and chili powder 2 teaspoon and salt for taste and add little water and mix it and take the fish and make it paste. I apply all places. I applied for this plate, so I will go to apply all the fishes. I apply all fishes and I leave it 5 minutes to choke the fish. It's choked well, so I will go to fry the fish. Keep the pan, heat the pan and also insert the oil. And heat the oil also. Now I will go to fry the fish. Now I will go to turn the fish. Is fried good, so I will go to take and I will go to insert another one fish to fry. I will go to insert another fish. See, the fish is frying now. The fish is frying now. Good. The fish is fried good. Okay viewers, thank you for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. This is Razzul Ansar's kitchen. Bye.